boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have a song from the Red Clay Strays. I'm pretty sure this is the first time on Gruvgear Guitar. I don't know why. I just came across this song recently, and here we are. So, anyway, this song is called If I Didn't Know You. Beautiful song where he meets his dream girl on a bus, and the rest is history. So let's go into this beautiful song here. We're gonna do that without any setup here, without any capo. Let's just go through the chords. We're gonna start with E minor first, and E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have D next. So open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have C, third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And then we have the G, third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. So far the famous 4 chords, but then to handle the bridge part later on, we need to add 3 more chords to it. So the first one will be this D sharp, and we go with the bar version. So what I do here, I place my index finger on the 6th fret, and I push down 5 strings, if you count from bottom up, like this. And then I place a second bar in front of that on the 8th fret, okay? So I use my index finger and my ring finger for the second bar, and I make sure I push down the D, G, and B string as well. If you go all the way down with that, because it's hard to just get this 3 strings in the middle, D, G, and B, then make sure you don't strum all the way down. Strum in the mid area of the strings, and that will be perfectly okay. So that is the D sharp. The next chord will be the D minor, and since you play that right after D sharp, the easiest way here is to actually go with the D minor bar version, okay? You could go with the D minor up here, but for this specific song, I would go with this bar version. So that is a bar now on the 5th fret, same 5 strings, and then you need to add 7th on D, 7th on G, and 6 on B. That's the D minor, and finally we have the F. So that's another bar chord. This time on the 1st fret, you push down all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. And there we have all the chords. So we're gonna work with just downs for the song, and I just wanna out it right here in the beginning of the tutorial that sometimes you play with feeling, and it's hard to really learn how to do that because you have to feel for the song first to be able to do that. So what I'm going to do here is to show you how to play how many downs per chord, just as if you just would go after a clock, so to speak. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, just even downs like this. Why? Because you have to understand when it's time to switch chords. So that is the logic behind that. That means the song doesn't always play like that, but that's like a key for me to use for you to understand where to switch chords, because that is the most important thing here. Okay, so with that in mind, let's start with the verse play. So the verse play is played with E minor 4 downs, D 4 downs, C 3 downs, and G 5 downs. Okay, and if you listen for the song, it's actually not played with 4 downs on E minor. I think it's 2 times in this first verse, maybe 3 times in the secondary verse. I don't know, but the timing there is the key, okay? So, like this, 4 straight downs. So, in the tempo, 1, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, G, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, that is what I mean by having straight downs, okay, even if they don't play exactly like that in this song. So again, I'm gonna give you one round of this verse: E minor 4, D4, C3, and G5. You're gonna play 4 rounds of that chord progression like this. 4 importance of that, that's the first verse. Into the first chorus now, If I Didn't Know You. It starts about 2 minutes and 6 seconds in, because we have a huge part that isn't about the song here in this music video. It's kind of storytelling there. So what you're going to start with now is the G. You're going to play 3 downs of G, then C, 5 downs, then D, 3 downs, and G, 5 downs. Okay? Then you continue with E minor, 4 downs, C, 4 downs, and D, 8 downs. Okay, many chords and numbers, and that is only the first half of the chorus. I'm gonna take you through this first, and we're gonna count down. So let's start with G3. G, C, D, G, E minor, C, and D. Okay, first half was done there, and then the second half will be G3, C5, then D3 and E minor 5. So a little bit different there. And then C4, D4 and G8. Okay, so let's do that together. G2, 3, C2, 3, 4, 5, D2, 3, E minor 2, 3, 4, 5, C2, 3, D2, 3, 4, G, 7, 8. And that's the second half, okay? So that is how I'm going to teach you. And now I'm going to play one round for you in this course from the beginning, both halves there till the very end. And I'm going to do that without any speaking. So let's go. The chorus, and then into the second round we have an instrumental part, which is to play the verse play for 2 rounds, I believe, or so. I'm not sure, but that is kind of a bridge into the second round of everything. And speaking of that, the second round is played exactly in the same way as this first round. We just learned, so no changes there. After you play this second chorus comes a bridge part around 3 minutes and 46 seconds in, and this is now we're gonna start to use these bar chords, the D sharp. So you're gonna play D sharp 8, then D minor 8, then F8 and D8. Okay, that's the first half. Then you're gonna go G8, F8, C8 and D4. So 8 downs on all of these chords. So you're gonna play that till they play the last chord of D, which is only 4 downs. So let's do it together. D sharp, D minor, F, D, G, F, C, and D. And that's the bridge, all right? From that, you're gonna jump into the final parts of the song, and that will be to play the final chorus, okay? And this is a little bit different from the other ones. You're gonna play all the way down to this almost last chord. You play the C4 and the D4, okay? That will be the last chord in the chorus. You skip that last G8, so just D4. And from that D4, you're gonna play the outro, which is the E minor 8, C4, D4, then G8, F8, C8, D1 down, and that will be the end. So let's do it together, and I'm gonna take you through from that second to last chord. It's C4, D4, and then into this final outro. So it goes like this: C, D, then E minor, C, D, G, F, C. Finally, we're gonna play the D, and that will be the end. So my friends, the red clay strays, If I Didn't Know You. great song, kind of pop, country-ish, goes around that area of songs. And yeah, of course, very suitable for guitar. So if you like the song, then this will be a perfect song to try out. Not too many chords, pretty simple ones. Even the bridge part there with this bar thing going on there isn't too hard. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please feel free to support me here on Guitar. Appreciate it a lot. Play tuned.